Hello, welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Keith Black of Falcon, Rappaport, and Berkman. So, Keith, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you very much for having me.
Sure. So, Keith, tell us, what is Falcon, Rappaport, and Berkman, and what's your role in the firm?
I am a partner with the firm and chairperson of the Trust and Estates Litigation Group. Falcon Rappaport Berkman is a full-service corporate tax and trust and estates firm. But we also practice in the areas of real estate and cannabis and cryptocurrency with digital assets. We have a general litigation practice. There is a lot of depth to the firm. When the firm started a few years ago, there was 6 attorneys, and now we have over 70 attorneys.
Okay.
And my office is in Rockville Center. We have space in Manhattan. We have offices in Mount Kisco, Florida, and California. The area that I work in is the estate group. So we focus on estate planning, estate administration, and estate and trust litigation, which really is the surrogates court practice of the firm. In the surrogates court, we work on contested probate matters, contested administration, kinship matters, discovery, turnover proceedings, which is really the recovery of assets for matters that we feel there is being wrongfully withheld from the estate. This is a group of phenomenal people. We are young, energetic, entrepreneurial, youthful, with a lot of spirit and passion in what we do. And it's just amazing people doing amazing things. I joined the firm about 1.5 years ago, and it's just been fabulous.
So, Keith, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often require your services?
There's a lot of overlap with trust and estates in other areas of law. And that's one of the things I love the most about the practice of trust and estates. We connect with family law in the areas of prenuptial and postnuptial planning. And also when there's a divorce, we'll work with families to update their estate plan, which includes the advance directives, your healthcare proxy, your power of attorney, and then the wills, where we may include trusts for minors and guardianship provisions.
That's great. So, Keith, what would be the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
The best way to get me is call my office and speak with Sarah Harris. She'll connect you through to me. The number is 516-599-0888. And you can also email me at kblack@frblaw.com.
That's perfect. Okay. So now, Keith Black, we've now come to the most important part of our show, and that happens to be the question of the week. So, Keith Black, this is your question of the week. If you could have a 5-minute conversation with anyone in the world, living or dead, who would it be, and what would you discuss, and why?
Oh, that's a good one. So I'm 45, just celebrated my birthday on Labor Day. My father passed away when I was 19. My mother passed away when I was 30, about 10, actually in 2010, my mother passed away. I've lost all my grandparents, so I'm an orphan, but I really would say I would love to sit and talk to my father. My father was an attorney and inspired me to pursue this area of law. My father was my best friend. We would talk about everything. And a lot of times I would just go to him with challenges, and he helped with positive perspective and help draw life lessons and growth from any experience I was going through. And I miss that.
Well, I will tell you that is an amazing answer. And Keith Black, you have said it all. You are helping people with their estate planning needs one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it. You're fabulous, Michael. Thank you.